You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary. Yeah, confusing. Stay tuned. Lineage. Lineage. It's how it's generally said. That's in ancestry. The lineage, what you inherit, let's say, from your ancestry. Lineage. There are some few exceptions where in publishing it might be said as lineage, but generally speaking the most common meaning for it is lineage and the most common pronunciation. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.